Welcome back to my channel. So I'm sharing my mayo shrimp with you. You need some shrimp, you need garlic, you need some mayonnaise, and you will need some salt. In a bowl, mix the mayonnaise with garlic and salt. So you just need little salt because mayonnaise already has salt. So you stir this up and add your shrimp. Stir again and make sure that the shrimp is well coated and set aside for 10 minutes. In a bowl, heat up some butter, and when it is melted, you add your sliced onions to it. I cooked this for about 1 minute, and then I added the shrimp to it. So I just dumped everything in the pan, the mayo, the shrimp, everything, and then give that a good stir before adding some green onions. You can totally skip this step, but I just like to see color in my food, so I had to add the green onions. I covered this and cooked till the shrimp turned pink, and it was ready to serve. So I like the shrimp with fried rice, but it's a really good dish to serve as a side. It's also in my ebook, and I'm also going to leave the link for you to download and have the recipe handy as well. I think it's a really good dish to have this Christmas and share with your family and friends. Thank you for watching, and please click the subscribe button. Bye.